Hey guys, Corey Scott here once again, the People's Attorney. And I want to talk to you about a conversation that I had just last week. So I was at court last week. I was with one of my clients and we were actually getting an expungement. We were cleaning out his record. And we got to talking. We were really just shooting the breeze, to be honest. I had already checked in with the court. I had already talked to the prosecutor. We already knew that there was no objection to his petition to get his record and his past history completely clean. And so, really, we were just waiting to hear our names called. But while we were there, we started to talking. And my client, this guy's a contractor. He's a businessman. He's been in business for a long time. He does very well for himself. And he got to talking and he said, Scott, I really don't need to do this. He said, but you never know when this might come in handy. And he started talking about how the political winds are starting to change and how things are changing. They're talking about repealing that and changing this and changing that. He said, Scott, even though I really don't need it, just because things are changing so much, I figured I might as well go ahead and take advantage of it while I can. And that got me to thinking, that guy's really right. These are some strange times that we're living in right now, y'all. And so we never know. I mean, right now we have a wonderful expungement law on the books in Indiana where you can go back and you can literally clean out your record. You can get rid of things, you can seal things, and so that you can have a fresh start and you can have a greater amount of opportunity in terms of jobs and schooling and housing. But my client was right, man. Things are changing every day. And who knows how long this thing will be on the books. And so I offer to you what was offered to me by my client, which was some really sage advice. And pretty much in a nutshell, he said, listen, I better get this done while I can. I better get to getting while the getting is good because who knows what tomorrow may bring in these crazy times that we live in. I am just simply saying to you, if you've thought about an expungement, if you know that you need to get your record expunged, if you know that you've had doors closed in your face, you've had opportunities go right by the wayside because of something that you did a long, long time ago, now might be a very good time to consider getting on the go, getting on the phone, making that phone call, gathering your documents. Because as my friend said, you never know when something like this might come in handy, and you never know what tomorrow may bring because these are some strange times that we live in, y'all. Pick up the phone, make the call, get in motion, make it happen. Talk soon.